Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's quickly see what's going on with CRO, Crypto.com's native token. So as we know that CRO has been in this descending triangle overall. Descending triangles are bearish patterns. Normally, they break to the downside whenever they, have this good run up, and then they create something like this, when there's a reversal or a slight pullback for a correction. But as you can see, it's creating some bullish candles right now, but 30% chance that breaks to the upside. Okay, the way you would know that if it breaks this resistance line that it has created for itself. Okay, and this support line. Okay, so now even if you turn the chart upside down like that, and you can see if you take this whenever there's a downtrend and these reversal patterns get formed, and then we are aware that a breakout is coming pretty soon. Now where will the breakout be? That time will tell. And it depends if it breaks to the breaks this resistance upside, this resistance downside. The technical targets are from the top to the bottom, and judge it by here wherever the breakout, if it's from here, here, let's get to the apex and just measure the move. Okay, so if it's to the upside, this is the technical target. Okay, and if it's to the downside, I have a technical target right over here. Okay, wherever it is. Okay, and now let's just see what CRO is doing in the long run. Okay, if you just zoom out, just yeah. Okay, so CRO, overall it's been doing something like this in this pattern. Okay, and recently it got a little lift, and the bulls got control. It broke out from this pattern. Okay, it was creating for itself. So you can see how much volume has come in, and whenever there's a breakout, you can see the volume shift. Okay, and whenever it's in a downtrend, you can see the volume decrease. Okay? Up, down, up. Okay, so now we know that whenever there's an increase in the price action, a rally happens, the volume is increasing, and then it dies out for a little bit, and then it increases again. So I want to show you something with CRO. Now if you could just come to the 4-hourly chart. Okay, and I gave you the target. So this is to the upside. Look this really quick. Upside, and this is to the downside. Okay, now looking at this scenario, we can take our Fibonacci's, and measure CRO's movement. Is it gonna do that? Measure this move to the right, and you can see the 2 level came into as a resistance for CRO, and the price came down. Okay, you can see where it's very close to that. Okay, but you could also see that this excuse me, this Fibonacci has respected all the levels. Okay, and then whenever it got a breakout, it tested this level as well. Okay, you can see where this resistance is. Okay, and it got out from this area, the 1.414, the red line, and then it got out, retest, and then breakout. Okay, so now let's move into the 4-hourly. Okay, now the upside target is 93 cents, the downside target is 40 cents. So if it does break out to the downside, okay, I mean normally when they create these descending triangles, uh, they have these targets, and if they break to the downside, okay, I mean the CRO can break to the upside, but I'm just giving you the scenario to the downside. If it does break this, okay, it's gonna create a falling wedge. Okay, gonna create this falling wedge, and the reason it can create this falling wedge is because you can see where this action is going. And if you take this and measure this move, okay, you can see where the target is. Take your Fibonacci and measure this move. It's coming to the 0.618 where the golden ratio is. So the price can actually do something like this. Go that. If it breaks this, okay, down, it come up, test, then retest maybe. If it doesn't hold, it will break, okay? And you can see the wedge is coming all the way down to this level, okay, 0.786. And then eventually momentum picks up, it can break to the upside. So the upside target is still 0.93182, okay, because it goes right back to where the wedge was formed, actually, the top price, okay? And now then it goes up, okay? Now if it doesn't hold this wedge and it breaks to the downside, okay, you can see, let's take this out. You can see if the wedge doesn't, it doesn't play accordingly to that, okay? Then the target was 0.40, the downwards target, okay? Now you can see in the weekly chart where this resistance was, okay? This resistance line. And now if you go in the 4-hourly chart again, you can see where this target is. It's very close to the resistance, this line that's coming, which it broke out and then gave us all this movement to the top, okay? So it can come all the way back and retest this and then move upwards, okay? Because in the RSI, the RSI, this is the movement Crow plays with. Yeah, I'll show you this right up. Take off these. Because there is more upside to, CROCOIN. It's going up. That's the peak over here, okay? Down, bottom support. That's going up. Okay, this is not the top. This is right over there. Then it comes down, okay? Then it creates a high right over there. But the RSI is coming down and creating a bearish divergence. So whenever there's a bull run that happens, these actually take place, bearish divergence, but the momentum is going up, okay? So then it came down again, went up again, and then it created another high, okay? But momentum is coming down, okay? It went up, came down, eventually, this was your, now, if you wanted to take some profits, because from there, that price is coming down right over there, okay? Same scenario that went on over here, okay? I'll show you. Okay, after this, say price is going consolidating, but momentum is picking up because a lot of people are accumulating at this level. Same over here, accumulation. This was the Corona dump, and then price momentum is going down, and the price is making new highs. See, this was the all-time high, and then a little bit down, but momentum, you see, it's shifting to the down. So this was your exit point right over there. If you're a long-term holder, that's good because crypto.com coin is a great, coin. It has a lot of perks, and the utility is really good for this coin. They also have NFTs, that they got into. So over here, same thing. Momentum is going up, okay, and then boom, price. So this movement hasn't come in yet. Okay, this movement has not come in yet, the downwards movement. So we still have that movement to come where momentum is going down, price is making new, maybe a little bit below the all-time high or new all-time high. So that momentum is still left in the RSI. It's telling us that, okay? But again, if it breaks to the upside, that's the target. Downside, That's the target. And these are long-term targets, basically, you know. But okay, guys, have a good day. This was a little bit longer video. Hopefully you found something out of it. If you like content like this, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.